everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making corn dish. Maybe someone will be surprised by name banoshko. It's Ukrainian dish, popular in West Ukraine specifically. But it's very close to something what you may familiar, grits or polenta. This dish is very hearty, very filling, and obviously, of course, it's gluten-free. So it's nice alternative. Corn. Let's talk about corn. For this dish, corn has to be yellow. Look how beautiful, like gold. We cannot use white. It's very important. Also important how you grind. I'm grinding myself. You will see in a few minutes how I'm doing this. But if you don't have ability to grind yourself, you look for stone ground yellow grits. That's exactly what you want. Polenta won't work. It's more dense when you cook. It's fine. It's almost like a flour, corn flour. But grits, medium grind, it's perfect. Another ingredients what we need, what we're going to boil with is creme fraiche. Creme fraiche, we don't need a lot, but we do need for creaminess. If you don't have creme fraiche, I recommend to use cream, but not sour cream, not yogurt, cream. It's usually the best substitution for creme fraiche. And we're going to top delicious crispy bacon, fried red onions, and fat, sheep feta. In mountains where this dish originated, in Carpathian Mountains, sheep, it's very popular. Every cheese they make with sheep milk and called brinza. That's one of the popular. I don't have brinza here, but sheep feta will do. Also, I would like to mention, bacon is not original ingredient. Original, it's a pork belly, uncured. Actually, you can admit and keep vegetarian. It's not always people add pork, but if you like, you can add. And I'm going to use bacon today, regular bacon, which you can find anywhere. And it takes just a few minutes, and you'll have delicious, very nutritious, and very hearty dish. You can serve for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, on side or as side dish, or it can be meal itself. Let's do it. You won't believe how nice and fragrant smell fresh ground corn. It's nothing what you can find on shelves. It's delicious. It's already smell good. It's warm. It's so pleasant to touch when it's freshly ground. And as you see, it's not like polenta, but it's not quite like coarse grits. It's something in between. So that's exactly what we want, and it's perfect for banush. About 1.5 cup of water and half cup of creme fraiche. Now whisk. Mix together. Different. Also, we add 1 teaspoon of salt and pinch of thyme. As you see how beautifully distribute all and melted down all creme fraiche. If we use regular sour cream or yogurt, they will start curdling and will not work when you heat it. But creme fraiche works so much like cream. As soon as it starts boiling, we add in half cup of ground cornmeal. When you see it starts boiling, now it's time to add you never close, you never use lid when you cook banush or polenta or grits or mamaliga. It's all the same dishes based on cornmeal, and we have to spend 15 minutes try to relax and keep whisking. about 2-3 pieces of bacon. I would like to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil just to start to let it going. Black pepper a little bit. And just a little bit of salt because bacon is salty. So I like to glaze a little bit with water so I can get rid of it. All this flavor. It's all good. Finally, it's cooked. Took 18-20 minutes, about 20 minutes. And now it's perfect consistency, but if you like thicker, you can keep cooking longer. And what I like to mention also, you always start cook cornmeal on high heat when you start boiling water and first 2 minutes of cooking, and then you reduce in a medium low, continue cooking and stirring with wooden spoon. It's important. And remember, Dutch oven or non-stick heavy bottom pot. Now, how to garnish? We have beautiful bacon and red onion, which is totally option, but if you like. And we have feta in brine, and I like little greenish, so some cilantro and parsley, but optional. Again. Now, generous amount of bacon. Everything better is bacon. I love it. And some feta. This is very good quality feta. Never buy the one that's already crumbling. I don't like that kind of feta. Let's try. Haven't made and haven't tasted this dish for years, but now I always think about my country, about my mom, and I think I start cook Ukrainian dishes almost daily. Creamy, slightly salty from feta, and bacon, crispy, soft and beautiful. And if you like, give me a like and subscribe if you do. Share with your friends, family. Eat healthy and delicious, good quality food. Remember, each ingredient speaks for itself. So choose the best quality feta, the best bacon, and if you can grind, look for organic, medium coarse, yellow corn grits, and that will do. I hope you will try, and the recipe is always in the description below. Also similar related recipes, and give it a try and give me a like. Bye, see you next time.